How to transfer money from Philippines to United Arab Emirates on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account, and as you can see here, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippine peso. Type it in the search bar. As you can see, this is it. Now, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the United Arab Emirates. So if you don't find it, as you can see, you can select the euro or USD like that. So as you can see, now after that, you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, $10,000, $100,000. Any amount that you want to transfer, and now click on send. Now as you can see here, double check the amount that you want to transfer. As you can see, now after that, this is how much your recipient will receive. Now click on pay with, and now select the bank or e-wallet transfer. Now click on add recipient. So in this case, we can't find our recipient currency, so the only choice is by sending that money to their Wise account. Now click on find on Wise and type here the Wise username, and after that transfer that money to their Wise account, and after that your recipient will receive that money on their Wise account, and they will transfer it to their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to United Arab Emirates on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.